A simple filter change to do is the cabin filter. It gets forgotten easily and you get weird smells inside your vehicle. I'm going to show you how to do this on a Vauxhall Agila. I think it's up to about 2007, 2008 is the early ones. I believe they might be the same as the Suzuki's, the little ones, the Wagonars, but don't hold me to that. This is the 2006 Vauxhall Agila 1 litre. So if it's a left-hand drive, then you look to the left underneath the passenger footwell or above the passenger footwell. If it was right-hand drive, it would be the right passenger footwell. And you look right in the middle of this little box here, and you see this long slot. See this little tab here, you pull it towards you, then you wiggle it out, and you'll see all the remnants of what the pollen filter has captured. Now it's difficult to get to the back one, so you have to give it a bit of a wiggle, and it will come off. You could get a little screwdriver under there, but it is tricky. Now I often actually leave the mat in here, collect the rubbish, and then once I've done the filter, flick the mat out, rubbish goes outside, not all over their carpet. And then simply get hold of the filter with your fingers. You could use a pair of pliers for this too. Pull the filter down, examine many years of bugs and dust and pollen, and you might want to wear a mask at this point, and observe the new one, which is nice and clean. Fram number CF9335. So what we're going to do now, open our packet. Now you do need to observe that sometimes they have a flow direction. So for instance, this was in this direction as we pulled it down, and the flow was in that direction. So we have to trust that that's still correct. So we match the direction of the arrows on the new filter and pop it in. Sometimes you can give them a little squeeze, a little wiggle. They're very malleable, these filters. And pop it in. Here we go. And all you got now got to do, get out under the little tray cover here, clip it back, and clip it at the front. Make sure it's secure, and job done. You just get that rubbish out, and you've now changed your pollen filter. Well done. Simple job, easy to do, pretty satisfying. If you found this useful, and I hope you did, please like, subscribe, and comment down below what a wonderful day you're having. Piggy out.